Boy, I was very anxious about this. Today I worked out all the 56 Tambour slats, and I temporarily taped them together and wanted to see how it operated in these grooves. So when the drawer is pushed in, it pushes this up and the tambours close, and then the lid can, the lid would have already been put down. There's a inner top here, and then a hinged top on top of that, and this comes down on that, on the top that's hinged after it's folded in. Then you can lock the lock on the drawer, and this is locked then. So it's operating very smoothly. I'm quite happy with that, the way that operates. Then eventually I will glue all the slats to a canvas backing. There won't be any of that tape. So there are 56 of those slats. They're 3/16 by 3/16, and they have a tiny little rabbet on the end that runs in these grooves.